Welcome back to Simple Mind Space, the podcast dedicated to helping you unlock your financial potential and live a life of freedom and purpose. Today, we're diving deep into the brilliant mind of Charlie Munger, the billionaire investor and partner of Warren Buffett. You might know him as the quiet genius behind Berkshire Hathaway's success, but beyond the balance sheets lies a treasure trove of mental models and life lessons. Now, Charlie often attributes his success not to some superhuman intellect, but to a simple set of mental tricks he's picked up over his lifetime. These aren't complex algorithms or secret formulas, but practical, common-sense approaches to decision-making. And in a recent interview, he shared some of these invaluable insights that have guided his investing journey and shaped his worldview. So, buckle up as we unpack 5 of Charlie Munger's most potent mental tricks that can help you navigate the complexities of life and investing with greater clarity and wisdom. These are principles that anyone can understand and apply, regardless of their background or experience. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Trick number 1, flip the script with inversion. Picture this: a young Charlie Munger, fresh out of the Air Force, finds himself assigned as a weather forecaster. It's a high-stakes job, responsible for the lives of pilots soaring through the skies. Now, most people would approach this with a straightforward question: how do I ensure these pilots land safely? But not Charlie. He takes a radically different approach, one that defines his thinking. How do I kill these pilots? That's right, he inverts the problem. He reasons that by understanding the most likely ways a pilot could meet their demise, he could then work backward to avoid those fatal errors. It's a counterintuitive approach, but one that forces you to confront the potential downsides and vulnerabilities head-on. He identifies 2 primary risks: icing on the wings, rendering the aircraft uncontrollable, and running out of fuel due to weather-related diversions. By obsessively focusing on mitigating these 2 risks, he significantly increases the chances of a safe flight. This principle of inversion isn't confined to weather forecasting. It's a powerful tool for decision-making in any field, especially investing. Think about it. Investors often get swept up in the hype, looking for the next big winner. But what if, instead of asking, why will this stock go up, we flip the script and ask, why might this stock go down? This shift in perspective forces us to look at the company with a critical eye, identifying potential weaknesses, competitive threats, or unforeseen challenges that could derail its success. Remember, avoiding big losses is just as crucial as picking winners, and inversion is your secret weapon in this endeavor. The next time someone criticizes a stock you own, resist the urge to defend it blindly. Embrace their skepticism as an opportunity to see the company through the lens of inversion. Who knows? It might just save you from a costly mistake. Trick number 2, embrace humility and define your circle. Now, Charlie is a firm believer in the power of humility, but not in the self-deprecating sense. For him, humility isn't about downplaying your strengths, but acknowledging your limitations. It's about understanding the boundaries of your knowledge and expertise, what he calls your circle of competence. Imagine a circle. Inside that circle are the areas where you possess deep knowledge, experience, and understanding. Outside that circle lies the vast unknown, filled with industries, businesses, and concepts that you may find interesting, but don't truly comprehend. The key, as Charlie emphasizes, is to stay firmly within your circle of competence. It's about resisting the temptation to chase shiny objects or get involved in things you don't fully grasp. It's about focusing your energy and resources on areas where you have a genuine edge, where your expertise can truly shine. This doesn't mean you should shy away from learning new things. It's about being selective and strategic in your pursuit of knowledge. If you're passionate about technology, dive deep into the world of software, hardware, or artificial intelligence. If healthcare fascinates you, explore the intricacies of pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, or medical devices. The point is to become a master of your domain, an expert in your chosen field. This focused approach not only reduces your risk, but also increases your chances of success. Because when you truly understand something, you're better equipped to make informed decisions, identify opportunities, and navigate challenges. Trick number 3, weather the storm with long-term vision. Now let's talk about something that keeps many investors up at night: market volatility. We've all seen it. The sudden dips and spikes, the roller coaster ride of stock prices that can leave even the most seasoned investors feeling a bit queasy. But Charlie Munger, he takes it all in stride. In fact, he sees market swings as an inevitable part of the game, the price of admission for long-term investors. He doesn't panic when the market takes a tumble, and neither should you. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Short-term fluctuations are just noise in the grand scheme of things. The real magic happens when you focus on the long game, on identifying fundamentally sound businesses with sustainable competitive advantages. Charlie compares this approach to owning a piece of a wonderful business. Would you sell your share of a thriving company just because its stock price dipped temporarily due to a market correction or a negative news cycle? Of course not. You'd hold on tight, knowing that the underlying business is strong and will eventually recover. The key takeaway here is to develop a long-term perspective, to resist the urge to react emotionally to every market hiccup. Trust in your research, believe in the power of compounding, and remember that time is your ally in the world of investing. Trick number 4, keep it simple. Seek the straightforward. In a world obsessed with complexity, Charlie Munger is a staunch advocate for simplicity, especially when it comes to investing. He believes in seeking out businesses that are easy to understand, with straightforward operations and clear competitive advantages. Think about companies like Coca-Cola, McDonald's, or Apple. Their business models are relatively simple to grasp. They sell products or services that people want and need, and they do it consistently well. They've built strong brands, efficient operations, and loyal customer bases. These are the types of businesses that Charlie looks for, the kind that, as he puts it, an idiot could run. Now, he's not suggesting that anyone can run a multi-billion-dollar corporation. His point is that the best businesses possess a certain inherent resilience, a strength that allows them to withstand challenges and continue thriving even in the face of changing market conditions. So, when evaluating a potential investment, ask yourself, can I easily understand what this company does? Does it have a clear competitive advantage? Is its business model sustainable over the long term? If the answer to any of these questions is no, it might be time to move on to a simpler, more straightforward opportunity. Trick number 5, never stop learning. Fuel your curiosity. Charlie Munger, at the age of 98, is a testament to the power of lifelong learning. He's an insatiable reader, devouring books, articles, and anything he can get his hands on to expand his knowledge and refine his understanding of the world. He believes that the pursuit of knowledge shouldn't end with a degree or a diploma. It's a continuous journey of exploration, discovery, and self-improvement. And the best part? You're in the driver's seat. Unlike formal education, self-education allows you to learn at your own pace, delve into subjects that genuinely interest you, and tailor your learning to your specific goals and aspirations. Whether it's reading biographies of successful entrepreneurs, exploring the intricacies of behavioral economics, or mastering a new skill, the possibilities are endless. So make learning a lifelong habit. Embrace your curiosity, seek out new perspectives, challenge your assumptions. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make sound decisions, seize opportunities, and navigate the complexities of life. Key takeaways: Charlie's wisdom in action. There you have it, 5 powerful mental models from the mind of Charlie Munger. Inversion: flip the script, consider the opposite, and identify potential downsides. Humility: know your limits, stay within your circle of competence, and focus on areas where you have a genuine edge. Long-term vision: ignore the noise of short-term market fluctuations, trust in your research, and stay focused on the long game. Simplicity: seek out businesses that are easy to understand, with straightforward operations and clear competitive advantages. Lifelong learning: embrace your curiosity, make learning a habit, and never stop expanding your knowledge and skills. By internalizing and applying these principles, you can approach investing in life with greater clarity, wisdom, and resilience. Remember, success isn't about following a rigid set of rules, but about developing a flexible and adaptable mindset that can adapt to ever-changing circumstances. Thanks for tuning in to Simple Mind Space. If you found this episode valuable, please hit that like button, share it with a friend who might benefit from Charlie's wisdom, and subscribe to the channel for more insights on personal finance, investing, and unlocking your full potential. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for a life of freedom and purpose.